Here's John. Welcome viewers, subscribers, followers, ladies and gentlemen, friends and foes. We're coming across Palm Desert, La Quinta, the great windmills that really don't work very well. But that's nor here nor there, because what I'm exposing and sharing with you folks is this nice little GB. This is a 53 Jag. What a beauty. Look at that. You're not going to see a lot of those. And just thought I would share that with you without trying to get my dash. Is that a beauty or what? Awesome. Louvered hood. I got those little bikini type windshields. Man, is that a beauty? Gosh. Now what I'm going to do is pan back here a little bit and then see if I can't get behind this guy without smacking him. And I've also got muck on the windshield. Let's take a peek at this guy. Awesome. Deal here is I'm being blockaded by this Honda. And let's see, get up here a little bit more again and see if I can zip it up on this gentleman. So for all you viewers, this is a desert, the California desert. It tends to be a little bit ugly. Nothing like the Arizona desert, but it still produces beautiful cars like that. Let's get some sound on there, all right?